Hello, just a quick introduction. I'm Darin Martineau, a magician from the United Kingdom. You've probably never heard of me, but I was active from the mid-1970s right through the 1980s, 1990s and well into the 2000s. The reason I'm here is I've been asked by Darin Martineau to review some of his new magic, which I have been really pleased to do because Darin is an excellent originator. His magic is exceptional. An example he asked me to look at was his Torn Corner, which is basically a torn and restored card. We all know that, but Darin takes it to a new level. Instead of vanishing the card, he vanishes the corner, which can be found elsewhere. At the end of the trick though, not only does the corner fit the card, but the card is completely restored. Now that is something that I've never seen before, and this is I think really a brilliant idea and a brilliant version of it, and not that difficult to do either. He's also got magic in there with readings, how to read cards, predict. He's also got a fantastic trick with coins, a bent coin and a torn coin. Okay, it needs a bit of preparation, you need to do a bit of work on it, but it's easy to do. It's something you can do. Anybody with a bit of DIY knowledge can produce this, and it is actually really effective. I love it. Hanging coins, again, there's some handling in here with coins. If you've never done coins, this is a good way to start. It shows handling, it gives you confidence in handling coins. Because I've seen people who handle coins, they're not confident, and it's quite obvious they have never done the preparation. Darin takes you through the preparation with this. This trick is a good starter if you want to do coins. Lots of other magic in there that is too numerous to mention. The shrinking card and this growing card, that is another classic one. But what I really love about Darin's magic is how he leaves you clean. At the end of the day, most magic leaves you dirty. You've got something in the hand to dump, something to get rid of, or something you need to pick up from somewhere. Generally, Darin either leaves you completely clean or with an easy out where you can do a dump. All his magic can be found in his Magic Masters Volume 1. I would strongly suggest, if you're into magic, and particularly close-up magic, this is the book for you. It contains everything you will need to know to start a good close-up routine. Thank you for your time, and look forward to seeing some of you performing it.